Okay guys, it's me JJ, and you can see the answer is now in Blender. If you want to know how I made the model, I actually imported it from Paint 3D. I make the models in Paint 3D, and thankfully it successfully gone to Blender. If you are wondering how to scale properly, just do this. Press S. So yeah, I tried rigging him, and guess what? It worked successfully. So I go into post mode, and now I can rig him. Look. It looks a bit corrupted, which I didn't expect, but still, it's kind of good. Tell me in the comments about what you think about this answer rig. The tutorial on how to make scratch block characters in Blender, then rig them. I'm going to make a tutorial about that, so yeah, stay tuned.